What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Eat with Coral Blush. Today this one is for SD Needling. Hiya, here's your card. This is the chunky battered card, what I wanted to have on my previous fish video. But yeah, as we established, this box is called Chunky Battered Card. These are just frozen straight cut chips I've done in my air fryer. We've got some mushy peas and some tartar sauce. And I've got some buttered bread. Right, before I start eating, I've got a shout out to Angie's son Lee. He's been off school because he's poorly at the moment. So Lee, I hope you're feeling better soon. And he is from Scotland, so hiya from Bonnie, Scotland. Right then, so let's get into this, and we're going to use this salt and vinegar spray. I thought these are really good idea. I thought, if you go camping and stuff, you don't have to take like a big bottle of vinegar or salt. And they're nice. Me drink, I have got Summer Fruits Sun Kissed. I'm a little bit addicted to this at the moment. Oh, very nice. So when my fish is cooling, I'm going to make myself a chip sandwich. Plenty butter on my bread as well, so it melts. How you all doing? Happy Sunday. Yeah, so this isn't a nice Sunday dinner. Like, we've just been to Kenny's Nana's, and on the way home we could smell loads of Sunday dinners, couldn't we? Yeah, Heather, we could. Yeah. Kenny's just literally behind the camera there eating his. He didn't want to come on the video today. But he's going to do as like a copycat of Lola Jeans, the steak boards soon. So it might be my next video, guys. So anyways, have a bite of your chip sandwich, Heather, and shut it. Dunk some in the mushy peas there. It's been gorgeous, guys. Yesterday was beautiful. We're sat in the garden, and we've not long bought a fire pit. It was only 45 or 48 pound on eBay. It's like 3-in-1. It can either be fill it with ice for your drinks. It's a barbecue and obviously a fire pit. Bargains. It's a lovely one, I'll show you. So I've got a little bit footage, not much though, but I'll put it on at the end. So we got the fire pit out yesterday. Stayed in the garden all day, nearly all night. The kids were toasting marshmallows, dunking it in melted dairy milk chocolate. While they playing on the field, and it was so hot. I was supposed to be going with my friends just for a catch up, like a lot who we went to the hen party cottage with. But when you're just sitting in this lovely sunshine, I thought I could just have like a few like drinks in the garden. And I thought, once I have a drink, I'll not want to like go and get ready and like then go to his. So I said, would you mind if I give tonight a miss? I went because we're gonna like he started to clean the barbecue, but he's a mega good clean Kent, isn't it? He needs to like proper thoroughly clean it. So we scrapped the barbecue idea. So we just like got the fire pit out now, and we're just literally chilling. So yeah, as is, so I'm going to give tonight a miss. I just want to chill in my garden. Like, obviously I was sunbathing, had oil on, and I thought, can't be bothered to go in and like have a shower and that and get ready just to go and sit in someone else's house. I just wanted to chill in my own house. I thought, yeah, fine, enjoy your family time. And then one of my other friends basically said the same. She was sat in her garden. And then we're debating getting their barbecue out. So we just stayed in. Right. I'll hold one of these up. I'll show you like how thick they are. These are the ones I thought I had picked. It's like a massive chunky fish finger, isn't it? But I'll cut it with a knife so you can see inside. It's like proper. Oh God, is this gonna fall? It doesn't feel too safe, this flipping board. Right. Like you see inside. Look at that. Beautiful chunky cod. You can see like the what do you call that? We're just, I don't know, should I better have a bite?
Flake. Flakes.
Still red hot. Like the flakes of the fish. It's like as if it's a proper, what do you call it? Not a piece of fish, but like a fillet, maybe. They taste so much like the chip shop. Really nice. Wow. They're delicious. I don't even want to put peas or tartar sauce on it, it's that nice. And some more peas, Ken, because I won't be eating these. Sure. Kenny's plate's clear already. You were starving, weren't you? Oh. So yeah, I've got them steaks I bought a while ago, the $1.99 ones. I've got them in my freezer, so I may take them out tonight. And I think Kenny can be the chef and make me a nice Lola jeans. So I feel a bit chilled today, don't we, Daddy's just said I think we need to just have like a snuggle up in bed movie day. Only thing is, we need to watch the Apple TV, don't we?
No, we'll just have it done, yeah.
Eh?
We'll just have it done, yeah.
Because he's got this app on his phone for all the latest movies in the all HD version. Morbius is on, we still haven't seen that. That Channing Tatum, is it called The Dog? Where he's like, what does he have to do? Return the police dog or
Takes him on.
takes him on. That looks good, that's on. Can't wait for Maverick to come on, the new Top Gun. So we'll have this, have a quick tidy. I sort the Ben's uniform out and then we'll chill out, get cosy.
What's that?
Yeah, just these it. I'll have to remember to pick the chunky one. Delicious. Proper cod. They're only like $2.69 for 4. Oh, it's on par with Coke this. No, you know what I'm like for Coke. Well, Sats weeks is over for Spencer. He's happy about that. Every day I've been asking him how it's been going and he says, yeah, good. Like he hasn't been saying, oh God, it's been so hard. So that's good. In the school, they're doing a lovely thing. Got a message saying that just the year 6s, obviously because they've had a stressful Sats week. You okay, son? Because they've had like a stressful Sats week. They're taking all year 6 to Sambuca's for a 3-course meal. It's like a lovely Italian restaurant, Sambuca's. It's really nice. And they're allowed to wear non-uniform, so they're excited for that. I think that's Thursday this week. Pardon me. So that's a nice treat for them. And we didn't have to pay, because usually when they go on trips you have to like pay so much towards it. Nah, it's all free. So I thought it was very nice of the school. This weekend's flew like. Oh, really filling. I love it when it's like proper like fizzy and it feels like it burns you. Like the fizz. Being a waste of tartar sauce, I don't even want to dunk it in. I want to savour the flavour of the cod. Don't really want these chips, guys. I think that spray's made them soggy. Have you done a boo-boo before? I had this on the table ready for me to use. Oh God, his was on the bench and all I heard is pss, 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 pss. Oh great. And I looked, he had the flipping fry light spray, do you know the fry oil spray? He's spraying that all over his fish and chips. You see, yeah, oily fish and chips. I was kidding, I've got the salt and vinegar spray on the table. Oh God. He was furious. I feel like I'm gonna burst. Had a sausage and eggs bun this morning. Oh, one more. Done, done, done. Hey, how close did we get on the Eurovision? We never usually come anywhere near. Well done to Ukraine for winning. But I couldn't believe it when we were still like on the board and we came second. I didn't actually see the song, like we just happened to turn it on and it was like obviously the voting time. I'm still going. So yeah, runners up. Well done to Ukraine. Well, I'm going to go. I've got no else to say and I want to go and get cosy on the sofa with my lover. With my lover Ken dog. Oh God, that filled a hole alright. Right guys, I'm going to go. Another shout out to Lee. I hope you're feeling better. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. There's the doggies coming to see. It's like as if they know me outro now. Come to see if there's any scraps. Right, see you later guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Relationship for Armand Van Helden. That was my going out to Cara, John and Ben and Sally, who are hot tubbing right now. Oh, celebrating Ben's 40th. Happy birthday, hon. Hi to Nicola and husband-to-be, Titch, who are all round the fire pit right now with the tunes.
So are we.
Right, let me know what you're up to. 8, 21, 22. Because what I've got coming up for you next is not only going to make you give everything a little shake, we're going to raise the...
Guys, if you have a fire like this, and you have marshmallows like this, always make it very crispy.
Oh, that makes it good.
Tastes nice, that, isn't it?
40% off future orders.
Yummy.
Straight to your door.
Heaven.
Enjoy
That
your
nice
active
spec.
dog in just 6 weeks or your money back.